In this session, we'll dive into the purpose of Git and why it's so essential for software development. Imagine you're working on a software project with a team of developers. Everyone's contributing code to the same project, but how do you collaborate effectively in such an environment? How do you merge code written by different people and where do you store the latest version of the code? Now, let's say you sell your software to multiple customers and each one is using a different version. How do you manage those different versions? What if you need to fix a bug in an older version that is still in use by a customer? And what about backups? When multiple people are working on a project, how do you ensure that the code is safely backed up? Or if you ever need to go back to a previous version of a file, how do you do that? These are some of the challenges that a version control system can solve. Git is a distributed version control system that tracks changes in software code during software development. It enables multiple developers to work together efficiently by managing changes to the code base. With Git, you can keep a complete history of all modifications, revert to previous versions when needed, compare differences between versions, and manage branches for parallel development. Git was originally created by Linus Torvalds for developing the Linux kernel. Yes, that's the same person who developed Linux. Git is an open source and free to use. You can set up your own Git server or use one of the many cloud-based Git providers like GitHub or Bitbucket.